Hey everyone, thanks for watching again. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all notifications. Check us out online, Facebook, Instagram. So today we've got a 2014 International Prostar. It is a double bunk sleeper, manual 10-speed transmission. 525,000 miles on the odometer. Aluminum wheels throughout. All of our trucks are fleet purchased, fleet maintained vehicles. Every truck is checked out thoroughly once we receive it by a third-party shop. Fresh DOT inspection comes with each truck. So we're trying to do everything up front to make sure that the truck is ready for the road so that you guys can be successful immediately. Check out our full inventory online at exceleratetrucks.com. You see there on the mud flaps, there's also a link in the description. We work hard to manage that site every day with our current and accurate inventory. True and exact pricing for each vehicle is on there as well. There's no hidden fees, no surprises. Go ahead and hop inside. $525,677 miles. Manual 10-speed transmission. This is a double bunk sleeper. Go ahead and look under the hood. There you have it. 2014 International Prostar. Manual 10-speed transmission. 525,000 on the odometer. Double bunk sleeper. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like and share and check us out on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and our direct website, which is exceleratetrucks.com. Thanks for watching.